Pressure testing a gas line after a repair proves the fix and keeps families safe by confirming the system holds pressure above 6 pounds per square inch before its return to service. To follow up a leak repair with a new pressure test, start by isolating and depressurizing the affected segment, then purge and reapply the exact test medium and test pressure used initially. Typically air or dry nitrogen at a minimum of 6 pounds per square inch above system operating pressure, because using different media or lower pressures masks leaks. Cap or thread connect the same fittings you used before to avoid introducing new failure points. Hold the test for the full soak period you would for a new installation, often 30 minutes to 1 hour depending on pipe length and volume, while monitoring with a calibrated gauge that has been checked against a traceable standard within the past year. If pressure decay is noted, perform a systematic sectional isolation using ball valves or test tees to localize the leak rather than redoing the entire run. Document initial and post-repair readings, ambient temperature, and test medium so repeatability and third-party review are possible. When bubbles or a leak detector spray are inconclusive at low leak rates, use a manometer or differential pressure recorder to quantify micro leaks and apply a temporary hold with approved clamps only until a permanent repair is scheduled. Finally, restore service only after verification that pressure has held steady above 6 pounds per square inch for the required hold time and after a controlled repressurization that checks regulators and downstream appliances for proper operation. One of the most common mistakes is skipping a post-repair pressure test, which causes undetected residual leaks and continued risk. Fix by always scheduling an immediate follow-up test with the same procedure and tools. One of the other frequent issues is using an uncalibrated gauge that gives false pass readings and hides slow leaks. Fix by calibrating or swapping the gauge for a traceable instrument before testing. One of the last typical problems is not isolating the repaired segment so tests reflect the whole system pressure drop. Fix by sectional testing with proper isolation valves or test plugs and document each section tested for clear accountability. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted local gas fitters and plumbing professionals that specialize in leak detection and pressure testing, making it easy for homeowners to find trusted contractors for post-repair verification. The directory also helps contractors get work by connecting them with nearby homeowners actively searching for certified pressure testing and gas safety services.